Hi guys, Dylan here from Chaco-Bear Stories, and I'm proud to present you another part of my Let's Play Mario Kart 8. Now, if you guys are wondering why I'm not starting at the main page, it's because in order to make a video shorter, I'm gonna cut out some of that stuff. Now, some people might be going, Dylan, why do you Toadette? I thought you hated her. Well, I do, but as I promised, I'll be every character I unlock, and Toadette was one of them. So, yeah. And just so you know, guys, I did unlock a new part. It was the paraglider. I'll show it to you right in a second. That was it. It wasn't something else. Oh well. And I am doing the special cup, in case you guys want to know. The special cup. So yeah, and I'm sorry guys, I didn't post your video yesterday. I had a lot of stuff to do. I was exhausted. And my time home was late, so I'm posting this video today of Mario Kart 8. So yeah, and if some of you guys, like normally I was gonna post Mirror's Edge today, but instead I'm gonna do it tomorrow. But if some people want me to post Mirror's Edge today and get everything back on track, please tell me in the comments, and if I have enough time, I will post Mirror's Edge today to save time. Well, not time, just like because normally I would do Skyjar tomorrow, but since I didn't do Mario Kart 8 today, I'm doing it today. And Mirror's Edge will be tomorrow. But again, if some people don't want me to, if some people want me to post Mirror's Edge today, I will, by all means, I'll do it. So just tell me in the comments right now. Okay, so let's get back to work. And we can do this. But the good thing about being Toadette is that I want to have a Toadette to beat me. It's like the only good thing. But yet I'm pink. I don't want to be pink. Like, I can be blue Toadette. I'm still Toadette, but I'll make everything more blue. Yeah, drift. And in case some people haven't been watching the series, I will link the last part, which I did the leaf cup and and the flower cup, I believe. I think I did the leaf and flower, but whatever it is, I'll link it in the description below. And I forgot what I was gonna say, but yeah, I'll link it. Oh yeah, and in case some people don't know, I am haven't been caught up with the series. I am doing 100cc. And I'm going to keep going up to unlock every single character. And I'm almost there. So after this, I plan on doing 150cc. Because, I plan on unlocking every, because I just, want to, get every single character. But if I have all the characters by the time I finish it, I will do one 200cc video just so you guys can see me take a challenge. Okay. So I'm going to pull up the video, and when it loads, I'll start it. Hi guys, we're back, and we're doing bone dry dunes. And yeah, okay, so second race of the special cup. 3, 2, 1, Come here, Yoshi. In case some people are wondering, or for the people that are not, who cares? I am using the Pro controller. And I use gamepad, but I don't quit using it now. I like Pro better. Fun fact, in case some people are wondering, let me just go there just because. The gravitational thing was released in this game, which is pretty cool. What? Okay, and the flying feature was released in the last one with the 3DS, Mario Kart 7, which is pretty cool. Look at the blue shell. Here's another fun fact. The blue shell was released because in the old Mario games, if a character would go too far ahead, the game would crash. So they made the blue shell to prevent that. And the fans loved it, so they kept it in the game. My friend Tyler taught me that. So shout out for Tyler! Woo! yeah. Okay, let's go. Do a trick. Let's get all these boosts. Come on, we'll hit every single one. Not by this one. Don't miss that one. Yeah. I got stuck on the post kind of race. Okay. Oh, boomerang. Okay. Oh, crap. Not overdrifted. Okay, third lap. Oh, keep overdrifting. I got banana. No, no, no. Okay, pump her all the way. Hit the Yoshi. Okay, let's do a trick. Come on. Oh, I still missed it. Okay. Wee, boy, make it on the top. No. See if we can get. No, never mind. I was see if we can get 10 coins for that kind of fail. Oh, but I got the mushroom that was able to see. Oh, crap. No. Yoshi, no. Wait. No, it's Koopa. Come on. Oh. Dang. Stupid Koopa. How dare you, Koopa. Hit Toadette. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video here. Okay guys, we're back and we're doing Bowser's Castle. Oh, so much fun. The third race, 100cc. Oh, the joy of Bowser's Castle. For the non-Mario Kart fans, they came up with a Bowser's Castle every single Mario Kart game. A new one. And then they make some of the old ones, which is pretty cool. Same with Rainbow Road, and I even take Mario Circus. Up there's Koopa. Gotta get a place out of him this time. Up there's Bowser. Well, Giant Bowser. One. Collect all these coins as fast as I could. Trick! Whee! I just really like doing that, like going in the back. What? How did that race shell go right past me? It was supposed to hit me. I'm not complaining, I'm just literally wondering. I deserve that red shell. Totally deserve it. Oh crap. I tried to use the mushroom to get away, but yet I was not fast enough. What universe is this? Where I can't outrun a red shell? Well, outdrive, not outrun. Okay, let's do some tricks. What is that behind me? Like I saw like the arrow. Not the arrow, like that circle that shows you something's coming behind you. Right next to the placeholder, right next to the number 1. Okay, we're about to hit him. Oh, there it is again! Oh no! We're about to hit him with a lap. And there goes Koopa. No, that's Yoshi. And I don't know where Koopa is. It's Koopa. Oh! You know, I know why I'm doing bad. It's because I'm Toadette. That is why I'm failing. It's because I am Toadette. That's the reason. Oh, but I like Iggy next round. Oh, Iggy's my favorite character. One of my favorite Koopa kids. Okay, let's see some tricks here. Oh, I put it. Okay, drifted. Oh, it's drifting! Can't ruin a man's drifting like that, or like a toad. drifting? You know, I gotta drift. And this place is banana. Come on, wanna make it? Okay guys, I'm gonna pause the video here and we'll do the next. Hey guys, I'm back and we are doing Rainbow Road. Yep. I like how this Rainbow Road's on the space station. It's nice. I missed the one from Minecraft Town, that was the best. It was like one of those race maps where it keeps going and never relaxes. Oh, I love Road so much. Okay. Grab this. Here, Yoshi. I can fly. Yeah. Use this coin and let's keep going. Let's do something fun. Yeah! Oh! That still did it. I jumped off onto the other track. That is so amazing. I'm so awesome for that. Yeah, I know. Wasn't what I could. Only if I kept going in speed, just kept going, instead of just like landing flat and just like stop driving. Okay, trick. And let's keep going. Do another trick up here. Oh crap, I don't want to go with arrows, so that's like pushing back and making good speed. Perfect! Oh, I love doing that. So much fun. Oh, if I hopped off again. No. Oh, okay. What? What? You saw that blue shell! Look! It's the blue shell passed. Look at the map. I'm blinking it. Look! It passed me. The blue shell was supposed to hit me. What the heck? What? Oh no! It's going back. What the heck? Oh, the blue shell was supposed to go for me. I know it's coming. Over to the basket. I hope it passes me. What? Where's the blue shell? What? What happened? Oh god. I don't understand. Really, I don't. Oh. Crap, no. Yoshi, you can't do this to me. Crap, I'm just a little item now. No, you got it. No. No, the Koopa. Oh! Yes! No. I hope I won this. I still won. Holy crap. So guys, I'm going to pause it here and I'm going to show you what character I'm going to unlock. I'm going to pick the character and if I got a new custom, I'll pick that too. Okay guys, I'll see you in the Lightning Cup. Okay guys, I'm back and we're doing the Lightning Cup. Tick-Tock Clock. This stage was originally from the DS, which is a nice fact. Now guys, I unlocked Metal Mario. And I do have a new part if you guys haven't seen it. I think that I was the card unlocked last time, I'm not sure. But I'll show it to you anyway. But yeah, this time I didn't unlock the part though. So let's go. Crap. It's close. The Bowser kite. Go Bowser. I think Bowser's not in the match. Maybe Bowser is the kite. Like, that's really Bowser. He's just like flattened by a swamp. Let's see what trick up here. Whee! Ah, I was too hot for that. Put that coin. No, no, no! Oh. This peach. Yeah, I've been on the clock. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, so let's see if I can jump here, get this perfect time. Well, guys, I timed that perfectly, huh? Get it? Because I was on the clock, and I'm in a clock. Ah, stupid puns! So many stupid puns! No, no! That wasn't timed perfectly at all. Now this peach, this peach! Okay, let's see if I can... Yeah! I missed it, oh well. That's what I get for going in the back camera. And I don't know why you still do it. I got problems with that. I don't know why. No, he's got a mushroom. Oh, I missed him. No. Oh, come on. Oh. This is not a good start at all. Whee! I love doing that, dropping off and then making it. Okay, let's see I gotta win the next couple races. Okay, so Piranha Plant Fly. I just realized I forgot to skip it. Oh well, it doesn't matter. No, it's actually pretty quick. Now, in case you guys are wondering, this stage was originally from the 3DS. It's on Mario Kart 7. This is one of my favorite stages. Oh, in case some of you Mario Kart fans are wondering, I am not doing the DLC. But maybe sometimes if I do get money and internet, I will do a video on it. Don't worry, I will be sure to cover it. I was gonna Piranha Plant. Well, that makes sense if you're on the Piranha Plant slide. There's Luigi. Well, the good thing is if I stay on the water, it gets boost. Like stay on like the top of it, it's kind of like flowing in that direction. No, no, no! Oh, no! Oh, why can't you fly past me? And I got a banana! The worst item! Hey, bananas! Oh? Well, here's me, you just took 2 pops of the one. Save some for the other people. Perfect. Here's another fun fact. If you stay behind a player, you pick up their speed and you get like a boost. And that's what Luigi just did. What? I have a feeling Luigi's gonna win this match. Okay, no one's behind me. Well, really behind me, like right behind me, I mean. Come on. Oh, fireball, what a call up too. Peach. Okay, who's in first? Luigi. I'm not about to say that fact. Think I'll for next video. Come on, I gotta catch up Luigi. Yes. No, don't turn, don't turn! Oh, I just dodged that. Take a banana, I'll hold that just in case. Oh, DK did a lead, just love saving some points. Crap. Good, good. No. Yup. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you the board. I'm gonna pause it. Hey, guys. Next race. Okay, guys, I'm back, and we are doing the third race to the Lightning Cup Grumble Volcano. That stage was part of the Wii. Now, if some people don't know, like, as you go through, like, the second lap, the stage starts falling apart. Now, when you get to the third one, it's, like, dead. So, yeah, it's gonna be an awesome hazard. He's got a red shell, and he's gonna use it on me. I knew it. Okay. Oh, perfect. This stops blue shell. And giant monkeys are just hitting with the banana. I'm gonna save the blue shell. No. I'm doing horrible. You're not using it. Maybe I'll get a good item. We're gonna probably show you what Lucky 8 does. Milk mushrooms. Oh, yeah, I'll take them. Draft. Oh, I missed it. Ah, that's so good. What? She like landed next to me. You know, now as you can see, the stage is starting to fall apart. You see that? Ha! I hit Luigi. Okay, first place. Come on, should I hit it? Perfect. I love the music for the stage. It's pretty good. No, oh, okay. It reminds me of the final stage. Oh, I'm saying that. It reminds me of the final stage in, whatever it's called. Like, I mean, the final world in, like, most Mario games. It's really cool. You see some blocks up there. But usually they're bigger than normal. You know what race map they should make as a stage? Okay, in Mario Galaxy 2, I believe, there's a stage where everything is huge. That should be that'll be a great race map. The huge galaxy stage. Oh, that'll be amazing. They do that. What? I'm barely surviving now. I wonder how it's going to be in 150 cc or even 200 cc. If I don't get the blue shell, I want to show you how to break it. Oh, I might use it. Did it? I'm going to pause the video. We're going to get to the final race. Goodbye, guys. I'm currently winning. Okay, guys. I'm back, and we're doing the final race of Lightning Cup Rainbow Road from the Nintendo 64. Oh, this thing it goes by so fast. We're gonna see how long it takes. I always wondered how long the stage how long it takes, because it goes so fast. Like, before you know what you're done. And in the background you can see fireworks, and if you look down, oh, you guys fall down now. You see houses. Crap, I keep falling. Oh, perfect! Oh, banana! No! I am gonna lose, guys. What if I got the box right there? Yeah, all I have to do is catch him and leave you. No, no! There's Yoshi. Well, that failed. What can I hit Luigi? Nope. Whoa! Crap. Another chance. Come on. Nope, he got it. Wait! No! Oh! I won! Okay, guys, so next time we're going to be starting at 150cc, and you guys get to find out what character you got. First, let's find out if we get a new character customization. But first, guys, again, if you guys want me to do another video today, Mirror's Edge, put in the comments, and if I have time, I'll do it. And if you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, please feel free to check out my channel for more fun daily videos. So, and if you guys want to check out my Facebook page, please feel free, it's in the description, Chaco-Bear Stories. Goodbye, guys. Have a nice day.